welcome back to Rihana's Kitchen Corner. Today's video I'm going to share chicken taco slider. These easy taco sliders are a great alternatives to traditional tacos. They're simple to make and loaded with flavor, a sure crowd pleaser and a great use for leftover taco meat. Taco meat, I'm adding 1 cup of crushed tomato into the instant pot, salt to your taste, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, paprika powder 1 teaspoon, taco seasoning 1 tablespoon, lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Mix it well and then you can add 2 pounds of chicken breast and then cook it in the instant pot, high pressure on 20 minutes. Once the pressure is released, you can open the pot and you can shred the chicken and set aside. You can check the seasoning at this moment. Actually, taco meat can be made a day ahead of time. That will save your time. You can actually make your taco meat however you want it. Here I'm using the Hawaiian sweet dinner rolls. Slice your Hawaiian rolls in half horizontally and place the bottom portion in a greased baking dish. Here I made a sauce with mayonnaise 2 tablespoons, sour cream 2 tablespoons and Sriracha 1 tablespoon. You can spread this mix over the bottom of the rolls. Now place the cheese slices on top of it. Now you can evenly spread the taco meat over. Evenly distribute the chopped onions and peppers, and if you want you can use tomatoes or avocado, any toppings you like. Top it with the remaining 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Cover with the top of the dinner rolls. Melted 2 tablespoons of butter with 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, paprika powder and parsley leaves. Now you can brush the top of the rolls with a buttery garlic mixture and place some jalapeños on top. Bake it in the preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes or until the top of the buns are lightly browned. Slice into individual sliders and serve immediately. You can store the leftover in an airtight containers. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you liked this video. I'll see you soon back with another one.